What's up, YouTube? This is Weekender Garage, and today we will be doing some garage content. I need to go to the metal place and get rid of a bunch of metal. There's a bunch of metal that I took down throughout here. I have removed all the garage door openers that used to be up there. The previous owner had some piping ran all through this place. Took that down, and I've got a nice little pile of metal here. I got some more in the back. I need to take two. Got this crate full, and then all of that. So, since I'm off today, tomorrow, and Saturday, I'm trying to get this done today because Clark Iron and Metal will not be open on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. So, let's get to it. Orion. All right, so got all of that into the truck. Let's go to Clark Iron Mill. All gone. And I made some money for the shop. I need my coffee. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Of course, I had to get Sydney Starbucks. If I came home with Starbucks without hers, she would be pissed. All right, let's head home. Let's start on this electrical, this insulation, and let's get to car content. So to give some brief background of why this is all like that and the wiring is like that is the previous owner had 4 fans hooked up. One was a box that was screwed right here, and then you had these 3 right here. And he had these tapped in to circuits. And the way he did that is he pulled the jacket and twisted them together, electrical taped it, and just left it. And I mean, I guess, it works, but it's sketchy as hell, and I don't want that in my garage. So I removed all 3 of those circuits, and I ran just one, which you see it right there. That one's going to the box, to the panel. And then I've done some wiring in there, and I got each one of my legs as it goes to each one of those light circuits. And then all of those lights are now on one circuit, which prior I had to go down each box, which had a switch on it, which I'm going to be removing, and turn every row of light on, and it was so frustrating. So that's a little brief on that. I should have pictures of all this, and I will add it here. And that should kind of give you an idea of how crappy all this was. So I tend to ramble a lot, so I'm going to try my best not to do that. So let's get into it. Let's start wiring, and let's get this over with. Let's get into some car content. So, I was thinking I probably should say this is not a tutorial or anything, so don't follow what I'm doing. If you catch your shit on fire, it's your fault, not my fault. With that being said, I need to run this into there, and I'm going to go cut off the main. All right. Now it's dark. Need to get my Milwaukee light. Oh yeah, that'd be good. All right, let's run this electrical wire. So I got the old circuit pulled, got the new one in. Probably should add, if people are trying to like learn some little electrical, when you turn it off at the main, you should really check your voltages at the top coming in, because this is coming from my house, from that main breaker, just to make sure it's dead, so you don't kill yourself or get shocked or whatever. All right, power back on. Got some better lighting for filming. So the plan now is to clean this up, get it stapled down as we go all the way down here, so I can get all the length out that I can, so I'm not having any wasted wire just chilling. Before getting the time lapse, I figured it'd probably be good. This is what I'll be using to staple them down. I've already done it in a couple spots. Did it right there for that new circuit that I ran for all the lights. And I kind of want to do that with all of these, just get it real nice and clean. I'm not OCD, but I also think you just put a little bit more time to make something look nice, it'll go a long way. So All right, let's get to it. Now my dilemma. I gotta cut a hole in there to feed the cable through. This is the biggest thing I have. I don't have wood drill bits. So now I'm trying to decide if I want to be a hack and make this work, or be a good and go to Home Depot and get the correct drill bit and look good for YouTube. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do look good for YouTube and not be a hack. So let's go to Home Depot and let's take the right-hand drive. There's a 240 at my house. What the hell? Who this? Who this? Who this? Aha, shit.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. Hold up. I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
Yeah. So, I built this monstrosity to help me hold part of this while I staple the other part down. I was using this yarn twine, whatever you want to call it. I was stapling it up and then crisscrossing it to hold it. It was just taking too long to take it back down and do it again. So constructed this. It's pretty sturdy-ish. We'll get the job done since I don't have an extra hand out here. Also, it's wild. I'm out here in shorts with the garage doors open on Christmas Day. It's like 60-something here in Tennessee. It's wild. But let's get this done. Hopefully this will speed it up.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. 'Cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow?
This might be a cool shot. Pitch. Finally done. Last one is in. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that. I know garage content is probably boring to some people. I enjoy watching it on YouTube, so I figured there's gotta be someone out there that'll enjoy watching it. The plan for the next video is going to be getting the Miata in here, getting my old Miata in here, stripping it down, getting all my parts off of it, and then getting it out of here and getting the other one back in, the new one, and hopefully getting it ready for paint. So with all that being said, thanks for watching. If there's anything you liked or didn't like, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good night.